Okay, this unit keeps getting easier and easier and easier. So 10.5 is talking about two tangent lines. So remember, tangent lines don't touch the circle, right? Or they only touch the circle once. So if you have two of them that meet at a point, we know that they are equal lines. So if you take a look at this picture, they're a lot of times going to make like these ice cream cone looking problems. And you're only looking at the tangent lines. So that's a tangent line, and that's a tangent line. They touch, which means these are equal. So 5x minus 7 equals 11 plus 3x, and you're just going to go through and solve it. Notice we didn't even use this. It's extra information. Okay. Let's try solving the problem just to make sure we've got it. So move all the x's to one side. Oh, not plus. Minus 3x. So we get 2x minus 7 equals 11 plus 7 plus 7. 2x equals 18. Divide the 2. X equals 9. And pay attention on directions, especially for this unit, because it's going to say, oh, plug it back in. If it wants you to plug it back in, X is not the last step. This problem doesn't have it, though. So let's look at another one. This one, I forgot to write the directions, but it's wanting you to find the perimeter. And notice we have this whole side. We have this whole side, but we're missing this piece right here. And you can't get the perimeter without all the outside pieces. So let's look at these individual points. So this is a tangent line, and it meets with that tangent line. And what do you know about two tangent lines that meet at a point outside? You know they're equal. So that means 3.8 is also that piece. Okay. We also have this tangent line and this tangent line that meet at a point, but we don't know how long this piece is to make them equal. So let's just keep looking around. We also know that this piece is equal to this piece because they meet at a point outside, and we know that this piece and this piece, they're both tangents that meet, which means they're equal. So 8 and 8 right here. If we know that this piece is 8 and the whole thing's 13.6, this piece we can find by subtracting those. And you end up getting 5.6 if I did the math right in my head. And then we already know that those two blue lines are equal. So this one's 5.6. And again, we know the whole piece is 12.1. So to get the green piece, we subtract that 5.6. Ooh, that one I need my calculator for. Okay, and I got 6.5, but make sure you're double checking your own work just in case I do it wrong. Green piece and green piece are equal. And if you notice now, we have this whole side, which means as long as we have every single piece, we can add them all together. So I'm going to take a look. I'm just going to add this whole side, so 13.6. Then I'm going to look at this whole side, 12.1. And then I'm going to look at this, oops, that was the eraser. This whole side right here, so it's two pieces. We have 6.5 and 3.8. And then the last side to connect it all is this one, to get us our perimeter all the way around. And that's 3.8 and 8. So you're going to add all of those pieces in your calculator, and go ahead and do that right now. And you can pause the video to just try it on your own before you double check your answer with mine. So I got P equals 47.8. Double check my work. Let me know if I got that wrong. And that's it. So just a reminder, two tangents. So here's a circle. Two tangents are equal if they meet at a point. Basic summary.